Good evening, everyone. Poltan here, and today we're gonna unbox something that came from I don't know where, pero UPS at nakasulat motherboard. So hopefully this one is from Asus. So watch out. Okay, so I'm very excited to unbox this. Siyempre, itong box na to. And let's find out kung anong laman nito. So, this box came in today, just today, this evening. So, whole day akong wala sa bahay. So, I wasn't able to open this box right away. Pero since na, siyempre, you guys insisted na I should do an unboxing of it instantly, as long as ASAP, sabi nyo. Ito, gagawin ko na ngayon. So, I won't comment anything on the box kasi obviously it's UPS box. Okay. So, here is the packaging. Can you go, si wifey ang cameraman ko, camera woman. So, we have lots of cardboards and foams here to, syempre, secure the package. Oh, it's upside down. So, as you can see, obviously, it came from Asus. So, very excited about this board talaga. Okay, later na natin papakita ko na yung board. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga kasama sa packaging. Obviously, walang kasama sa packaging. Just the board itself. Just some foams and more foams. Okay, so ngayon, okay, here's the board. You're looking at the board right now. And this is not just your ordinary board. Okay, may nakalagay dyan. Dear Paul, we're looking forward to seeing the results of the result. ROG. So this one came exactly from ROG or Republic of Gamers. And I'll tell you something more about this board. Okay? So, and PS, this is only left. Make it awesome. Haha. Thank you, ROG, for the quick message. And don't worry, I'll do my best. Anyway, so here's the first look, exclusive look, guys, on the, ano ba to? 1 of 3. Only 3 were made kasi na ganito. It's a Rampage X79 Extreme motherboard, as you can see, pero it's all black. Kasi yung normal na itsura nito is all red. May mga red na accent dahil nga Republic Gamers. Ngayon, here's the story kung bakit gumawa ang Asus ng ganito. Nvidia obviously wants something very nice performing na motherboard. Ang problema, ROG is one of the good or great motherboard makers, di ba, ng mga manufacturers. Ang problema lang, red yung color scheme nila. And usually, pag red, AMD yun. So, Nvidia asked Asus kung pwede ba nilang gawan pwede ba silang gumawa ng motherboard na katulad ng X79 na Rampage Extreme, pero all black. Wala din mang green, kasi pag green, ibang brand naman yun. Gigabyte ata yung gumagamit ng green. So, obviously, black ang kailangan gawin ng Asus. So, ito, gumawa sila ng black. At alam ko, according to Asus ROG, Republic Gamers official post, is they only made 3 of these. Only 3 of these in the whole world. And another scoop, I talked to one of the Republic Gamers na people. Sabi nila, the rumor lang, is they actually made 10 of this. And one of those, hindi ko alam kung 10 or 3 ang actual na number is, in short lang, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, ang isa doon ay sobra nakakatuwa, nakakuha tayo ng isa. And ito na ngayon, nandito ngayon sa harapan ko. So, actually, this is my second na ROG board. My first ROG board is Asus Maximus 2 Formula. Ito yung ginamit ko sa Reventon na PC build. And here's my second ROG board. And I will do a mod for this guy. I will call it the Lamborghini Aventador J PC. So, hope to see it working agad. Sana I can start with it before I finish, after I finish the Batman or Dark Knight na PC. So, I hope you like it, guys. So, basically, it's just a X79 Rampage 4 na Extreme motherboard, but it's all black. It's not black edition, they call it black, only black. Ngayon, obviously, makikita nyo dyan, run through ko lang kayo sa mga ilan sa mga features nito. Quad channel to, 2,400 MHz ang kaya nito na higher, faster. Tapos sa back I/O niya, makikita ninyo dyan, meron siyang mga USB ports dyan. Tapos meron din siyang Bluetooth, may Wi-Fi din siya. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Wi-Fi ba? Parang nakita ko sa website, meron ata. 7.1 na channel ng sound. Meron siyang LAN, meron siyang eSATA. Tapos meron din siyang Rogue Connect. Meron din siyang CMOS reset. At ito yung USB flash BIOS na madali. Kahit walang CPU, walang memory na install, walang power supply, walang video card. Lagay mo lang dito yung USB na may laman na BIOS. Then, flash mo na yung BIOS na itong board na to. Tapos, nga pala, Socket 2011 to. So, X79 chipset to. Ang maganda lang dito, ang alam ko, meron siyang parang X-socket ba to or X-bracket. Parang pwede mong gamitin yung 1130 plus na ata na cooler dito. Anyway, meron siyang 3.0 na PCI Express. So, expect na marami kang mas ma-install dyan na Crossfire or SLI setup. Tapos meron din siyang mga extra pang OC na dyan, na buttons, start. Tapos pwede mong in-on and off nga pala yung PCIe lanes. Tapos meron din siyang Sub-Zero Sense, ito, para ma-sense mo kapag ka nag-ALN2 ka. Tapos meron pa siyang slow mode. Nga pala meron tong fast boot sa Windows 8. Sobrang bilis niya mag-boot, instant boot. Kasi binabypass na yung ibang mga kailangan i-run o hindi na kailangan masyadong daanan pa ng motherboard. Katapos, ngayon kung gusto mo pumunta sa BIOS mismo instantly, syempre wala ka ng time pa ipindutin yung Dell key kasi instant boot nga to Windows kahit mag-restart ka pa. So ito yung button na yon, yung BIOS switch. Pipindutin mo lang, automatic punta ka na sa BIOS nun. Yun ang maganda. Kahit nasa Windows ka, pindutin mo to, sasabihin niya, re-restart ko na yung computer, magba-BIOS tayo. Pupunta tayo sa BIOS. Ganun kadali yun. Okay, so look at, again, let me show you the board. Full glory. Okay, it's all black. Pati capacitors. Tingnan mo, grabe Ganda ng capacitors. Wow. Black. I/O lang ang hindi black dito. Well, gawa natin ng paraan. Gagawin ko pa rin itong black. Anyway, I hope you like my video na quick unboxing lang ng Asus na Rampage 4 Extreme Black. Only 3 of these were made according to Asus Republic of Gamers official post. So one of them are mine. Thank you and good night.